Hi, how are you? This is Israt in front of you, and you are watching my video Fluent with Israt. Yeah, these days I want to learn English, and I'm learning English. So you are thinking my English is not good. So why am I making my videos on YouTube? There is a reason, because if I want to make videos in English, then definitely I remove my all kind of hesitation while speak with the English in front of other. Some just remember, suppose that you are good speaker, you are great learner, you can speak a more than better me, and I didn't know about English, and yeah, I can speak a little bit. You are speaking English with me, and I reply you in Hindi because I didn't get understand what are you say. So that's why, this reason I want to hesitate and I want to get into English. So that's why I want to learn English, and I am working as a customer service executive. So while I am checking the bill, sometimes it's happen, don't every time happen, but sometimes it's happen. The foreigners, strangers are coming in my store, and they did bill, and they came into exit for checking. They didn't show their bill. Then the other person who is working with me and beside me, he asked them, sir, bill दिखा दीजिए. They didn't understand. Then I told them, excuse me sir, did you purchase anything? If you are purchased anything, so can you show your bill, because I have to check the bill. Then in front of me, the strangers, the foreigner saying, is it compulsory to checking bill? Yeah. Then I told them, yeah, it's compulsory, because, and he purchased two things. One is Nivea's deodorant. Second is he purchased BB cream for his wife, and he put in his pocket, and he run out. He get out from the exit gate. Then I told them. Then he started to question me why I want to show your bill. Then I told them, sir, it's my duty. I will have to check my bill. If I didn't do this, then the manager will complain. It's my duty. Anything else? It's my duty. Suppose that. Then he told me again, why it's compulsory. Then I told them, yes, it is compulsory, because suppose that you are purchase this thing, you put in your pocket. So how did I know ki what you purchase? So you will have to show me the bill. So I hope you can understand why I am learning English for these days. If you like my video, so please keep supporting me on Insta, on WhatsApp. Sorry for that, not WhatsApp, on YouTube, because I want to remove my all kind of hesitation and eye contact. Bye.